Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning, and it's a little drizzly outside here in Sutter County, California. I want to get straight to it. Last night, the Culinary Expedition was in Isreal, where I prepared a soup that dates back centuries. Shorabat Addas. One of our members actually informed me that Shorabat means soup and Addas means lentils, and that's Arabic. Very cool. Because the soup does originate in the Middle East. Really good soup, super simple ingredients. Try it. I believe you will like it. All right, today the Culinary Expedition is in Zambia, where I'll be preparing cabbage with pork. So let's get to it. Some pretty basic ingredients. I'm using the country ribs that I love to use. This is the pork country ribs. For the pork, yellow onion, Thai red chilies, tomato, of course, cabbage, kosher salt, black pepper, a little bit of oil, garlic. Spices are ground ginger, cumin, and green cardamom ground. And I'm going to add just a little bit of water to help the cabbage steam. And this will be served with long grain white rice. So as you can see, fairly simple, but I look forward to the flavors all melding together and getting that steamed cabbage. Oh, you know me and cabbage. Yeah. So, what are you cooking or having on this Sunday for your dinner and or supper? Let me know in the comments. All right, so on this day, have a great day. Food is art. Eat great food. And as always, my friends, have fun cooking.